Hello guys, I hope you are doing really well. Today I have with me Philips Multigroom Series 7000 trimmer, and in this video I will show you how to attach and remove this body trimmer. Okay, it comes with a skin protecting system, guys. So first of all, what we have to do, we have to remove this metal trimmer. Okay, so what we have to do, on this side, okay, not on this rubber side, on the opposite side, and we have to just push it very gently from this top position. Okay, so you can see over here I put my thumb over here and I just simply push it like this. Okay, so you can see over here this clip comes out easily. So you can see over here now it is detached from the trimmer, so you can just simply remove it like this. Okay, and then if you want to clean it, you can use the brush comes with this. So if you have any hair, you can simply just gently just remove the hairs. Okay, and then what you have to do, you have to attach this body shaver. Okay, so it's very simple. You see there are two sides of this body shaver. One side it comes out like this, okay, and the other side there is nothing over here. So this side, you have to, what you have to do, you have to insert it on the rubber side of the trimmer, on this side. So you can see over here the side which is come out. Okay, you just have to insert it carefully like that. You can see over here I am doing it. Okay, and then simply it is now adjusted, and then simply push it down. Okay, so you can see over here now it is ready to use. So you can see over here it will look like that, this body shaver. Okay, and if you turn it on, press this button, tap this button one time, and now it is ready to use. So you can see over here now it is ready to use. So it's very simple, you can see. Okay, so if you want to remove it, okay, remove this body shaver, there is an arrow on this body shaver. You can see over here this arrow. Okay, on this side of the trimmer, which is the stainless steel metal side. So just simply you have to push it and it will come out easily. So I use my thumb again. Okay, and then I just push it like this. Okay, so you can see over here now it comes out easily, and then you can remove it. So this is how you can attach or detach this body shaver. So guys, this body shaver, it has a unique protecting system. Okay, it protects the most sensitive areas of the body. You can use it to shave comfortably for hair as close as 0.5 mm. And then if you finish with it, you can simply insert this metal trimmer again. So simply you see this side of the metal trimmer will go on this rubber side of the trimmer. So you can just insert it like this and then simply just push it. Okay, so now it is ready to use. So you can see over here now you can use this as well. So simply I will repeat, from the stainless steel metal trimmer side, just use your thumb. Okay, just push it like this, it will come out, and then simply you see this part of the body shaver, you have to insert it, carefully insert it on the rubber side of the trimmer, because there is a space over here as well. If you can see, just simply insert it like this and then push it, and then it is ready to use. So guys, this is for today's video. I hope you like the video, I hope you enjoy the video. So please do subscribe to my channel, guys. Thank you very much.